Thank you. It's been 10 years since we started the firm, and I just wanted to show my appreciation for you guys. Last couple of months, people were like, oh, 10 years, you should celebrate. And I was thinking, not such a big deal. But yesterday, I was thinking, yesterday, 10 years ago, was the day before I started the firm. And I was scared. Like, I did not think it was going to work. And 10 years ago, it was a Saturday. I woke up early. I went into my office. I was renting an executive suite. It was me and a copier. And I kind of like twiddled my thumbs and thinking, oh man, what are we going to do? And because of you guys, great, fantastic clients, employees, friends and family, everyone supporting me, we were able to put together, a great team, do some great work for people in our community, and I just feel so blessed to be able to do this, even if it's just like share and like a video, which I didn't even know what social media was back then. I don't even know if it was around, but I appreciate you. It's been a blast. I'm so excited to see what the next 10 years brings. So thank you for all your support, and let us know what we can do for you. Thanks again. Have a great one.